This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Florida State Fairgrounds for a sneak peek of the 2023 Florida RV Supershow. Now, there is only one way to describe this show, and it is huge. In fact, it is so big that we give you a free second day back with every ticket to the show because it will take 2 days to see everything here. I highly recommend you go to our website, FRVTA.org, go to the Super Show page and click on the interactive map to plan your show trip in advance. We have almost 60 manufacturers here and 30 dealers displaying RVs of all kinds. There are rows and rows of amazing Class A's. We have luxury Class A diesels. We have some amazing Class C's and Super C's, including this new for 2023 Integra Accolade XT. Tiffin Midases are also gorgeous. Dreaming of van life? We have camper vans of all kinds and color, including these beautiful new options from Road Trek. Fifth wheels, travel trailers big and small. I am loving these Winnebago hikes. This ultra lightweight trailer from Ember will definitely be turning some heads. We have fifth wheel and travel trailer toy haulers. I can't wait to see the inside of this ATC Trailers toy hauler. We have all kinds of pop-ups, including an amazing selection of A-liners. They're in process of setting up the truck campers. Park models. The all-wheel drive, Storyteller Overland, and Global X vehicles are sure to be a hit at the show. There is even a selection of accessibility-enhanced RVs. We have 300 suppliers of all types that are setting up their booths in preparation of the big opening day. In addition to all the amazing RVs and suppliers, we will have tons of great entertainment and food. We have a full seminar schedule that changes daily. The 2023 Florida RV Supershow is being held at the Florida State Fairgrounds January 18th through 22nd. The gates are open Wednesday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Sunday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, FRVTA, where I will be posting opening day video of the show. Thank you for watching, and we will see you at the show.